Welcome to how to lay out Instagram photos. So in this video we are going to show you how to lay out Instagram photos, but before start of this video I want you guys to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So first of all, what you're gonna do, you will open up your Instagram, and after opening up your Instagram you will tap on the plus icon at the bottom and then tap on story. And now here you can see that we have multiple options, so tap on layout, and then basically we can change the layout as well. So from here, basically if we want to post like only let's suppose 2 pictures, here I will tap on this one, and you can basically take the picture from the camera, or you can basically select any photo from your gallery as well. So tap on gallery and I will select this photo, and tap on gallery and I will select basically this photo as well. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.